This shit we finna make a killing. Now the money stack up to the ceiling. All I know is payback. All the rappers they sad. Now we finna go up in the billing. I could really give a fuck about you.
Hi, I'm John Sarkisian. This is our place, S Klub, and we build cars here.
Got a bitches in the spot and she faded. Set top with a new ass shots, couple Instagram likes, now she famous.
It shook people's heads. It changed people's minds about what a classic Gullwing could be and what a new Tesla can be, you know?
I've had it tattooed on me before we ever had one because I never thought we'd have one.
My name is Bogdan, and we now in St. Ilan Church, TSK body shop collision center, and we are working on regular EV cars and sometimes with unique projects too.
It's not something we particularly wanted to do. We're not really huge fans of EVs. The guys at TSK kind of talked us into it.
Thanks to collaboration with S Klub, we have a chance to show our ideas with a legendary car like Gullwing.
So we made a deal. If they were going to do it for me, they had to do a Mercedes one right alongside that one, which they started, they just never finished. Just kind of left the Mercedes on the side and paid all their attention to the Tesla because that's kind of like what they do.
They pretty much cut it up, shrunk it to the right wheelbase, and, you know, the body on top of it, and then we take it from there.
And we tried to make this project together and actually found success on the end.
So I decided to paint this car white pearl, and the color is from a Tesla Model 3, and it is a 4-stage paint, which was a real pain to do. It's got a little bit of Tiffany green and blue in it. It's just a color you have to see in person. It's really nice. Here we are getting ready for SEMA, a couple days away. Got 2 cars up and 4 cars finished. Here are the guys finishing up the Tesla Gullwing.
Localized wide body, lots of adjustments, fitting. Because of its fiberglass body, it's lots of gaps, lots of small things you have to do.
People thought that they just put a Tesla motor in there, but it was everything, dash, TV, all the cameras, all the safety part of it. Like, it was a Tesla that looks like a Gullwing. Like, it was amazing to see people come up to the car and be like, oh, it's a Gullwing. Oh, it's a Tesla? Like, what?
We are on the SEMA show. We are already driving out from here. I will tell you this. We are in the top 40 best projects. Which ones from the whole world participated in this event? Let's go. On my YouTube channel, I have almost 200,000 subscribers, and it's not a channel just about Tesla. Channel about how we live in with Tesla cars, what exactly Tesla cars for me and my family. Yeah, you can just visit our YouTube channel and take a look what exactly is going on there.
What's the big deal about SEMA?
Nothing, we just like it. It doesn't really do anything for us, we just like to go. And people from all over the world come to the booth where our cars are at just to see what we did this year. So it's a challenge for my family and my team to get it done. You know, it's like something we look forward to. It's like the Oscars for us.
So main idea was to show our opportunities with Tesla cars, and second idea was to show how easy to build a perfect car. John's favorite car, for example, Gullwing, and we built a favorite car for John. But For you, for example, favorite car may be Mercedes 140, and we can build 140 Mercedes with perfect automotive technologies in this moment. It is not our goal to make fakes from other cars. We don't make Louis Vuitton bags and sell it on a sidewalk. We are creating a factory of dream cars with this amazing technology which is available today. Any car which you possibly imagine we can create for you today. Everything what you possibly dreaming about.
At first, I didn't understand why this was happening at all, and I didn't really believe it. But then, over time, while communicating with Bogdan, I realized that this really has a right to exist, and now I am almost obsessed with it.
Here we can see subframe from the Tesla, and regular car here is on the differential.
With doing something like that with the car, it takes a lot of people and moving hands to create a car to have all that technology to still work. Because Tesla is like, you start chopping things off of it, it don't want to start, you know? So it took a lot of different people and a lot of very smart people that know how to like bypass certain things to make them work again and the car work again at the same time. You know?
We are creating crazy project because it gives us passion to make our daily work. And we're not crazy about Tesla cars, we're crazy about technology. So if BMW show us something new, we will take a look on BMW.
So the EV conversion game is very new. The few ECUs that are out there that are available aftermarket are shit. You know, terrible, absolutely terrible. Some guy wrote the software in his backyard just to get the wheels to spin. You know what I mean? Those ECUs, they're just not safe.
Looks like now Tesla brand and Tesla technologies a little bit far away from other brands. Much far away than everybody's thinking.
You know, with the Gullwing, it's actually a Tesla. It's already a Tesla. It already has all the technology. It already has all the safety features built in. It already has everything that Elon has spent all this time working on. So if you're going to do an EV conversion, that would, in my opinion, based on doing it both ways, would be the way to do it right.
What we see now on the streets, what enthusiasts are building, and what we plan to do are entirely different things. We are taking the most optimized electric platform in the world, the perfect car, Model 3 performance with 550 horsepower, along with all the components and features.
Next project is a very well-known car, and a lot of people know this car like CLK GTR, but we already start working on it, and now it's called TSK GTR.
This car that we are building will be possibly faster, or maybe just as fast as the original supercar. I would really like to compare the car side by side, the original and what we will build, and we will see. I think we will have that opportunity.
There's been a lot of car shows about customizing vehicles and redoing them completely, but it's never been done actually about EVs. So this is a unique opportunity to be a part of this process. You can witness creation of CLK GTR, Maybach based on Model S, and we will show the world how important is this Tesla technology in creating cars of your dreams. Stay tuned.
Right.